Ever felt lost in a sea of management tasks? Let's change that. Head over to www.swrecovery.com and spot the login portal button. It's your first step towards streamlined efficiency. Ready to dive in? Got your welcome email handy? Use those credentials to log in securely. No worries if you've misplaced them, simply fill out the New to Client Services form to retrieve your details effortlessly. Kickstart your upload journey by clicking Upload Debtors. It's as simple as that. In the file description field, jot down the property address. This ensures clarity and precision in your uploads. Select your files with the Choose File button and hit Send File to upload securely. Each click brings you closer to success. Let's make those files work for you. Preparation is key. Ensure you have the lease agreement, tenant application, and contact details ready. These documents are your allies in a smooth collection process. Don't forget the statement ledger showing the collection amount. Additional documents like repair invoices and tenant damage photos can be invaluable. Let's cover all bases for a seamless experience. Remember, there's a 20 MB file size limit. Split large files and label them clearly for easy identification. Organization is your best friend in this process. By mastering these steps, you'll transform your management tasks into a breeze. Ready to take action? Log in today and experience the efficiency of Southwest Recovery Services firsthand.